everybody. This side might look a little bit messed up, like I had a stroke because I had a tooth taken out an hour ago. So I'm numb like up here and like from this part over, so.
Smile on.
Anyways, I'm going to be making spicy chicken sandwiches. Not fried because I don't like the smell of grease in the house, but it's going to be done in the oven. So, over here we have some butter, and I'm not going to get into that right now because that's another step after. So, you need 2 eggs and some Frank's Red Hot. And we're going to, can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Just put a couple in, a couple drops, and then you're just gonna whisk that around. And then you're gonna take some flour. I don't know how much is in here. Let's say a cup, and a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Some Italian seasoning. I don't, just put what you think that you would put in there. Some garlic pepper and that cayenne pepper, and not too much, just like that. And then you're gonna take a spoon and just mix that around. You're gonna preheat your oven to 400 degrees and get your baking pan lined with tin foil. Okay, so.
And what did you say? 400 degrees?
Yeah. So next is your chicken, and I'm gonna freeze some of this because it's just Ed and I, and we're not gonna eat all this chicken. But take.
We would eat it all. Donna just won't allow us to. Tell the truth, Donna.
No, that's not. So you're gonna try to get this as, what is it? Like even, I guess you would say. Like, because you're gonna split this in half. If it's not even, but it should be.
What does that look like?
I don't know what that looks like.
Your board is coming off the camera.
Okay, so you have 2 pieces. I'm gonna trim this off because it doesn't look like it should be there. Anyways, trim it up, and I'm wondering, maybe I should get another one. Okay, well, we're gonna take 2. Put this over here and do the same thing with this one. Watch you don't chop your fingers off.
And once again,
what?
What does that look like?
I don't know, I'm not a doctor. And then just same thing, trim any fat. Okay, so we're going to just mix that around, and I'm going to bring the pan over here, like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of chicken, you'll put it in here, take it out, get that on there, and then put it over here. And then you're gonna just continue on. And then once this is done, we're gonna put them in the oven. Because they're split in half, they're not as thick as you know what the regular would be.
Yeah.
So I would say we'll check on them, I don't know, say in 20 minutes. Okay. And here, make sure you don't, you know, discard of your stuff when you're done, because it's chicken and chicken will make you sick if you don't cook it. Okay, there's the last one. Can you do me a favor? And what's that look like?
I don't know what.
Could you just turn on the water for me?
Turn on the water.
Yeah, because I gotta get this shit off. Don't burn
Look at her
it.
hands. I don't know how. Is it hot, cold?
It's warm.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't have gloves. Like, I should get some cooking. You know those? I don't know what's cooking gloves, but it's, you know those. You know those ones.
I know those ones.
Wash all the bacteria off. Holy. Okay. And our oven's not. Did that go off yet? Do you know?
No, it didn't.
Okay, so once that is preheated, we're gonna put that in the oven, and then we're gonna check them in about 20 minutes. And if they're cooked, then we'll go on to the next step. If they're not cooked, we're gonna have to leave them in a little bit longer. So I will see you guys in a second. Okay, so our chicken is done. And I'm just gonna put this here. You're gonna need a glass dish. Doesn't have to be circular. It could be square or rectangle. And also I have a large pan. And that's where the temperature is at. Did I say, you put cooking spray in there? Did I say
No,
that?
you didn't say that part.
Okay, put some cooking spray in there. This little piece of tin foil. And okay, so you're gonna put that there. There. Fuck! Okay, and then we're just. What is funny? Because I burnt my fucking hand again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you wipe the
Fuck.
the counter off so nobody catches the sarsaparilla?
It's salmonella.
It's sarsaparilla.
It's salmonella.
Sarsaparilla.
Anyways, you're gonna put some Frank's Red Hot sauce in a little thing like this or whatever you have, and we're just going to rub this on or dab or whatever you want. Okay, and okay, we're gonna stop that because this is only gonna take not very long. Okay, you're gonna get your bun, whatever bun you want. Something that's
What
not.
kind of bun is this bun?
This is a cheddar onion
It's that kind of bun.
baguette.
That kind right there. Eh? Oh, look. It's new. It says new. So if you never tried it before, where'd you get that from?
Independent.
You can go to your independent grocer and try out this new bun.
Okay, so then go about halfway and cut And then you're gonna go halfway like this. Okay, and then do the same with this one. Okay, now here is your, I'm using Basil because it's good for old.
We don't want to have a clogged
artery?
Yeah, we don't want clogged arteries.
Okay, so then you're gonna take some more Franks and do
more Frank's hot sauce.
Do about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And just darn it all.
Darn it all. Darn everything.
Anyways, you're just gonna mix it up.
She's just gonna mix it up.
You may need to make more. I don't know how much. Anyways, you're gonna. I should leave that there. Okay, so just. Do it like that. Just spread it on.
Looks almost like the Cheese Whiz, eh?
Probably.
Does this stuff add personality like the Cheese Whiz?
I think it may add some kick.
Some kick?
Yeah.
Some kick to your personality?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so...
It's going to add a real kick to the cock.
You're going to take these and you're going to come over here and you're going to toast them up.
Toast them up. I like toasted breads. Eh?
And we're going to turn this down now to 4.
4?
Yeah.
It's down at 4, everybody.
And,
Cigrit's wife knows how to cook real good. Eh?
And just because I know you like hot.
I like hot.
So we're gonna do 2 of them that are extra hot.
I get 2 extra hot ones? Fucking right. I'm looking forward to this now. I was already looking forward to it, but now I'm really looking forward to it. I like extra hot.
We're gonna have to buy some more Frank's.
Yeah, I see that. I see you used all my Frank's hot sauce.
Okay, so while those are browning, we're gonna stick that in there. And you're gonna put it up to broil, and you just want it to get a little bit crunchy on the outside. And should maybe have a flipper so I don't burn. Okay, so it's just kind of melted in there. We need it to be crunchy. Also, while we're waiting for this to be turned crunchy, keep your eye on your chicken. And when it gets to like your crunchy part, just shut off the oven in case these aren't done yet. You'll keep them warm. And when these toast up, we'll put the sandwiches together. So I will see you in a second. Okay, so these are done. Our chicken is, actually I should probably put this over here.
Watch you don't melt my weeds.
Oh, I thought you were going to say your wire, but...
I want you don't melt my wire too. I need that.
Okay, so then we're going to take that one. Take that one. It's hot. And get our tongs. our chicken. And what other one did I give you? I think this one.
I don't know.
So
So those are the 2 extra hot ones?
yeah, mine are
Fucking
just
rights.
regular.
And we're totally out of fucking hot sauce?
Yeah.
So I can't add anymore? I hope you put enough.
There's some in the egg thing. There's some on this. There's some on.
Okay, I'm trusting you. Eh?
Okay, and then in here I just have some little bit of cheese and Parmesan cheese. Okay.
A mixture of cheese.
Yes, and we're just gonna sprinkle, or place, I should say. And if you don't want cheese, then don't put cheese on. I'm not saying you have to.
Add whatever you want. Make it your way.
And then we're going to grab our ranch. I grabbed PC because, first of all, I don't mind some of PC's products, and
this one's a good one.
it's not no name.
It's not no name.
And but the Kraft was like $3 something.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's crazy. 3 something for ranch dressing.
And then we're gonna grab our bun like this.
I'm gonna grab your bun like that. And then I'm gonna do that to you.
Okay. And then we're going to
Slap it on.
and then do the same with this one. And there.
And there you go.
That's some spicy baked chicken sandwiches on a bun.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to see us try these out, then you can watch the video after this one. Ed's video.
My video. It's up next.
And I think that's everything. Okay?
I think so.
I think
Let's switch. Let's switch videos now, Donna, so I can eat.
All right. So that's it. That's all. Bye.